Hey you people around the world, it's me Junior, back in another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make I remember that video I said I was doing, but today is not gonna be that. I need a much more cleaner world. Whoa. Wait. There we go. That okay, today it's me back in the video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a vending machine. So you wanna start getting a blue sand clay, block of iron, item frame, it's a paper, a paper, redstone, a button, slabs, quartz slabs, but we need more. So let's go. So you want to make an L shape like this. And you got this. So we're not going to this part. Now we're going to the back. Do the opposite L. Do this. And then that. It'll look like this. Get your redstone and do this. So right now there's nothing to activate, which is weird, but we have this. So we have this kind of shape. Now we don't need redstone anymore. So you wanna get glass. I don't think we need it later. We don't need it right now. So we need a dispenser. We don't need a pipe, so iron frame. So yeah, we don't. So now put the iron block there. Okay, remember the shape? Okay, now get your dispenser, go down like this and put it back. Wait, what? There we go. Now put your glass down here. Almost done. Put this iron frame machine, and we have to put on top of this dispenser. You're like, how do we do that though? How do we do it? How do we do it? Easy. Just crouch and then put it on. Like that. Okay. Put it on like that. Crouch and put it on. You got the paper, now you want to do this kind of shape with the paper. There. Now you got that. Now we're slightly finished, but we're not. So now get it and do this. So wherever you see, these two corners are not filled in, but the back corners are filled in. So now get your slabs out and do this. Like that. Now you want to cover the little square and do that. And there you have it. And there you have your vending machine. So let me just put a carpet on. There. You have your machine now, but you want to add some stuff. We're not done with it, but we're almost. So you want to get our chest. And where's the hopper? Where's the hopper? Where's the hopper? Here. Now dig a hole. And then put the chest on there, and then put the hopper like that. Now get a sign and tell them how much money they have to pay. So yeah, there we go. 2 papers. So they have to throw paper. Wait. Yes. the something, and then put it there, and then you have to throw paper, and then it comes out. So yeah, that's how. So yeah, hey tubers, that'll be it for today. Subscribe for more and smack that line for more. Bye guys. Woohoo!